Wife materials makes their man happy, and Tonto is definitely not a wife material. I am 100% better than her, said Churchill's wife, Rosie. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. Thank you so much for the love and support. I do not take it for granted. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome to Jenny Vlogs TV. Please, before you end watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell. With that, anytime I put up a new video, you will be notified. You're welcome back to another video. Guys, Rosie, Churchill's wife, blast Tonto Dike today as she answers some questions her fans asked her on her verified Instagram account. Hey, my people, another boss don't start though. This one now Churchill's wife Rosie na him first start am. In don dey drag Tonto Dike again. Remember say na Churchill be Tonto Dike's ex-husband. The both of them, they got married and it didn't really work out because of this particular Rosie wey snatched Tonto Dike from Churchill. That time him be dey talk say him and her and Churchill they are brothers and sisters. When Tonto talk am for interview say Churchill dey meet this Rosie, we no believe am. We come dey think say na Tonto be the problem, say Tonto no sabi keep man, say he no be wife material. But later everything come show wow. I understand that it's actually Rosie that snatched Churchill away from Tonto. My people, this matter don't start afresh because as he did so, I'm sure that Tonto is ready to reply. Hey, my people, no be smart, you know. He don't talk and say that she will never let Churchill down. That letting Churchill down is like letting herself down. That Tonto Dike did not do well at all. Tonto was not a wife material when she got married to Churchill. That she herself, that she's 100% better than Tonto. My people, no be smarting. So I'm going to read according to the questions she answered. You know, some of her fans asked her some questions. You know, these Instagram features that usually pop up that will tell you, ask me any question and I will give you a true answer. So this was what Rosie did, and yeah, she answered a lot of questions. She revealed a lot of things on that Q&A, which I'll be telling you guys right now. Okay, so this is what she posted. So the person asked her, "We got you. Hope you will never let Churchill down. You are God sent." She can't reply, say, "Letting him down is like letting myself down. I got him 100%. He's my big baby, and regardless of what your baby does to you, all you can do is continue to shower more love and care. I'ma take care of this one. The aim is to keep him happy. If he's happy, I am happy." Another person come ask am, "Why did you marry your brother?" Just asking. She can't reply, say, "Cause I love him and he makes me happy. That's why she married Churchill." My people, I don't know how women, I don't know how women like this sleep and wake up happy, honestly. Knowing fully well that you took what belongs to someone else, you are happy about it. Knowing fully well that the person you collected her husband from is there shedding tears, soaking her pillow every night. You are there happy showcasing the person you called your brother. You know, that time she said that Churchill is her brother, that they're like brothers and sisters. But now the reality of life now says that they are actually husband and wife now. My people, this one that is, I don't even know how to talk because if this their marriage, let me tell you something, anything now where Churchill do to this lady, even if she no like am, she no go talk am, she go just dey endure am, because if this marriage scatter, people go yab am, people go laugh am scatter. You understand? Even if she's no longer happy in the marriage, she no go fit talk am, like she no go even come out, she no go even show for her face say she no happy for the marriage, because of what people will actually say if the marriage if the marriage turns bad. But God of Tonto never disappoints, okay? Because this, what they did to this Tonto, what they did to her, my people, well, I wish them well, I wish them good luck, and I hope that everything, turns out very good for them. I'm not wishing them bad luck, but the way she entered this marriage is something else. I remember that she used to be Tonto Dike's very good friend, though. Yeah, they were best friends. They were actually very good friends before she now met Churchill. Then from there they started having from brothers and sisters, helping my family and all of that. From there she started seeing Churchill secretly without Tonto even knowing. From there everything don't scatter. From brothers and sisters, they got married and became husband and wife. My people, well, it's only God that can judge this matter. So according to all these questions where she answered, she dey try let us know say she no marry Churchill as a married man. Say she married Churchill as a single man. That Churchill was a single man when they got married, and that she did not snatch Tonto Dike from Churchill, that her husband came at God's time, and that she will continue to take care of Churchill and make him happy. That once Churchill is happy, that she too, she's also happy. So my people, now wetin she post for her Instagram page be this. So people come dey blast and tell am say come go catch up with am. Say everything wey he don do to Tonto Dike, say he go come back to am. Another person come tell am say she no dey enjoy this marriage, that she's just there because she doesn't want people to mock her. Okay, that deep down in her mind, that she knows that she's not enjoying anything at all from the marriage, that she's even tired of the marriage, but she doesn't know how to live because of what people will say about her. My people, Bos don't start to me, I dey wait make Tonto Dike reply am. Okay, my people, I go stop here for now, but I will always keep you guys updated anytime I get any recent news about these two people, Churchill and the wife plus Tonto. Okay, so take care of yourself, and I will see you all in my next video. Always know that you are highly loved and appreciated by me. Thank you so much for stopping by. I love you all. Bye.